Hiya.
Hiya.
Pluto. Maya. Hi, babies. Maya. 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 Look at me. Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Pluto over there. What you doing, Plu? Plu.
I thought his tail was longer.
I love you.
Love you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Gunner. It's a beautiful fire. The sound of people popping fireworks.
Yeah.
My dude.
What's up, doodad?
Look how weird this one. Oh, down. Look, see it? That little one right there looks like a little tail. Yeah.
Wait, did somebody really call for me?
Look, we got somebody new.
Welcome, Antonio.
Ant.
Aunt. Antoine.
I saw on his thing at work it has him listed as
You're
Ant.
getting big. Where you saw that at? I'm getting big.
At your
At
job?
your work.
One of
'Cause I
my-
didn't tell you.
Hello.
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 Hello. Hello, girls. Hi.
No.
Isn't it pretty?
But I'm allergic to mosquitoes.
He's not paying attention to her. Roscoe. What you doing, Roscoe?
So beautiful.
You think
Hi.
Thank you.
Yeah, he thinks she's Hank. Because we hollered, Hank. Hi, Hank. Hi, Hank. Look, see, he gets all excited.
Look, Pluto.
You're
Get mad.
Roscoe. You're Roscoe.
They were over there somewhere.
Your
Look,
brother
look,
is
look.
Hank.
Saw for the first
He's
time.
so mad.
What you doing, Roscoe?
He's like, I want to check out her trash.
Gosh, he's heavy.
Yeah, the neighbors are doing fireworks.
He's showing me bruised. That hurt. Rub your thigh.
Hi, boys. Hi.
Hi.
You do the same thing every time.
What?
Hey, baby.
Hey, baby.
Look, it's just shadows. You can kind of see us when that, like that. Oh, there you go. Let's do it this way. Maya! She wants to play with Pluto, and Pluto don't want to play. Because Maya stinks. Maya stinky, stinky. Hi, Roscoe. Hi, Roscoe. Hi. Hi, Roscoe.
1, 2, 3 so far.
No. Hey.
Not around the fire. Connor at least walked off. Yeah, I walked off to do it.
Ah.
Took my fire. Oh, man. Whoa. Whoa.
I wish we had
There's no
s'mores.
more.
Oh. Come on.
You know it's Christmas Day and everything's closed?
I know.
Mm.
That.
Yeah. Yeah.
7 different places.
At 7.
Oh, but there's no place around here like graffiti pizza, man.
We tried to order pizza at 7 in the morning, Mom.
I've been wanting to go to Tractor Supply to get my dog a kennel, but it's
Like
Christmas.
11.
My mom got rid of hers, so when my dog moves back in with me,
I thought it was 7.
I'll need to buy her a kennel with my Christmas money.
Well, you can go tomorrow.
No.
What are you doing? Yeah? Maya, what are you doing?
So, wait, I'm looking
Pluto.
at the middle.
Pluto's right here. Maya, Maya, Maya,
Wait,
Maya.
to go back over there.
Maya, Maya. Maya. Maya.
Hey, you.
She don't care. She's like, I hear you calling my name. I just don't care. Maya. Maya.
Yeah, Maya.
Save that.
Pluto. What you doing, Plu?
Is this a video or picture?
Video.
Oh.
That's why she shut up. She was about to say who she ran into.
Oh, that looks really cool. Look at that.
Look at that.
Whoa. Whoa.
Look at all the smoke.
No? Your mom probably wouldn't let me. Gosh.
Y'all planning trips without me? I want to go.
Well, come.
Oh, it's interesting.
I want her to come to my sister-in-law's baby shower with me as my +1.
Her +1. So what am I?
My +2.
Oh.
I don't even have a +1. I'll just bring y'all.
Doesn't
Look
this
what I
look
found.
kind of like,
I just grabbed like 2.
I don't know. Hold on. Let me see. Can you see that? It's like a big grasshopper looking thing. Or a wasp.
Jumping jack fire.
I don't know. Maybe I'm just tripping. That's how it looks to me. See it with the face right there? Right there.
You
See?
didn't already do your part,
The
right?
long part
You
would be the
already
face.
light a part, right?
And then that part back there is the
No, I want
body.
the lighter.
Let's see that.
Just do them on the step.
Well, maybe I'm just special. Did I say that you can light it on the side of me and throw it?
Well, that was really
Oh, it's a smoke bomb. I like those.
Hey, Mom, she's about to light one.
Does that do anything? Like come close or anything?
It's a crackling crawfish. So
Oh, maybe.
Oh my gosh. There's your mom.
watch out!
He's like, I'm just gonna. Move, Terry! Back up, Terry! What you doing, Terry? Look at Pluto. Chris, it's like really coming to you. Pluto crazy. Leave it alone, Plu. Pluto's Terry. Hi.
Hi.
Do it?
Last for 2 minutes. It lasts for 2 minutes.
We noticed. Mine.
The grass is on fire.
It's all gravy, baby. Woo, that was fun.
More than one at a time.
I'm not gonna do this.
Just do one at a time because I don't
I'm
know
not
which
gonna do
ones
this.
to do.
This is another
That's the
crackling
same
crawfish.
thing?
Yeah.
Crackling crawfish? Okay. Is that a crackling crawfish? Yeah, it is.
Really?
We
Okay,
like
do one of those,
these.
but you just need to- Can I start mine up right here?
No, because that's even closer to your daddy.
I don't know.
Okay, so this one's Connor's.
That's mine.
He thought we hadn't seen one in a little while, so you know, like in 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Listen, the neighbors are trying to outdo us. I hear them popping theirs. Merry Christmas, people! Christopher! Hi, lovely! I love you.
Get a little trash bag, like the blue one. No. That way we can have something
Hi.
to put
I'm
the
ready.
papers in.
Hi!
I'm next.
This for now.
Hello!
Hello.
Our Christmas tree!
Well, whatever that does, I'm about to do it
What? You about to do 3 of them?
too. Yeah.
Of whatever?
Whatever it
Of
is.
the
Jumping jacks.
Huh?
Is that jumping jacks?
Why are you lighting 3?
Because she thinks she's special.
Hello. Jadlyn, what are you doing?
I'm trying to light it, but it's not working.
That's smart. Hold it.
Yeah, I'm smart.
Woohoo!
See, it works.
Oh yeah, they do that.
Hey, I broke.
Oh, I thought it was the popping ones.
I thought so too.
I broke this.
I don't know.
I don't even know how I just touched it.
Just toss that part in the fire.
Okay.
Get one of those blue plastic bags for our trash. Huh?
Maybe you should.
No, I'm good.
You got that, Sha?
No, not really.
Sparkle. We used to a silver plate for the fire.
Oh.
Sparkle, Scott.
It was a Roman candle. Y'all got that?
I have to give her light.
It takes 2, baby.
Nothing happened.
Here.
Anthony's like, please no.
Mom, I know it's
Hers did. Woo! Flew away.
Hey, Lily, go stomp it out. Mom.
Huh?
Look.
Okay, well that was fun.
Oh, you better put that down, boy. Woo!
Don't say anymore.
Woo!
Where's this thing?
Ooh, that was bright.
Broken one for me.
So what'd you spell?
Huh?
What'd you spelling?
Nothing. I'm just going around and around and around.
Here.
See?
I already broke it. Look it.
I want to squeeze her head. Where's the other one at?
What are y'all doing?
Squeezing your head with these.
Aww.
Oh, right there. You were soft.
She got. Did it scare you?
A little bit.
A little bit.
They got black smoke coming out of theirs. What are y'all burning?
Wait, I was just like joking.